quick video of the table. It actually has a very nice aesthetic. It sits perfectly level with the armrest of my couch. More classic fabric couch, but perfect height for it. Pretty easily assembled, just a bunch of hex screws, so I had it together in under 5 minutes. Don't really need much for instructions. It's kind of self-explanatory. Ones with 2 screws go there. There is a bit of a gapping on the bottoms here, but I am surprised having the unified tri-plate, I guess you'd call it, on the bottom. It doesn't really wobble. I was expecting a bit more, like a lot more wobble when I was putting it together, but it sits pretty firm. The wood grain is a little faux looking, but it also still holds up as a nice looking table. So this would be great for a lobby, an office, or beside the couch. Having power nearby is great if you know anyone who needs a good place that can spill-proof, food-proof their table for watching TV and still have their USB. I'm actually quite happy with it. And it's not the little table that's moving as you see me shaking it here. It's my bigger table. But yeah, our dog's got at it and already we've been using it. So there's a little hair on it, so ignore that. That's us. This is a little bit heavier than it needs to be. We've been using an extension cord.
The wood is really pretty on this piece, and it seems to be pretty sturdy. We just put it together. It didn't take us long at all. I have bought this separate piece just to put on there, but it really is a beautiful piece, and it really complemented the game room. So we really like it. Super easy to put together, and it didn't take too much room. I made the room better. There's my short video.
I've come up with a new entertainment. I put a bunch of trampolines to get home quickly. If you